US President Donald Trump made a statement regarding his plans to speak with both Russian President Vladimir Putin and Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy on Monday. Trump referred to the war as a bloodbath and expressed hope that the calls could lead to a ceasefire and end this violent conflict that, as he put it, should have never happened. Ukrainian President Zelenskyy had offered to meet Putin face-to-face in Turkey, but Putin turned down the invitation, leaving the situation more tense than before. Zelenskyy has urged international leaders to impose tough sanctions on Russia if they continue to reject these peace efforts, expressing frustration with the lack of concrete outcomes from the negotiations. President Zelenskyy condemned the recent Russian drone attack as the killing of innocent people. The Kremlin has signaled some openness to the idea of future talks with Zelenskyy, contingent on the success of the prisoner swap negotiations.